Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create Apple ID in your mobile phone. The process is same in Android phone as well as Apple phone. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to open your browser and go to search bar and type Apple id.apple.com and hit the enter button. So here you can see it's loading, and after open it, on the top there have a icon. Just select it. Here you can see on the top there have a icon. Just select this icon and you can find the option create your Apple ID. Just select it. Right now my page is not working, so if you just open this page you can find this kind of page. Here you can see this kind of page. You just need to type your first name, last name, your country, date of birth, every information, and finally give your password. Just type your password for your Apple ID. After doing all and then you can finally create your Apple ID. So that's it. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.